We are making Kale Chane Ka Khatta today, which is also an integral part of Himachali Dham. So let's get started. Let's add some mustard oil, maybe around 200 ml. Heat the oil to the smoking point, which may take 4 to 5 minutes. We will start with some dry red chilies, fenugreek seeds, of course, fennel seeds. Any Himachali recipe is incomplete without this. We also have whole dry coriander seeds. Now I'll add some chickpea flour, and this is say around 200 grams. Now we will stir. I'm going to add some powder spices now. We can start with some Kashmiri chili powder. We will also add some turmeric, of course some coriander powder, and salt according to the taste. Now let's stir it. As you can see, the chickpea flour is well cooked with all the powdered spices and of course the whole spices. Now I'm going to add the boiled kala chana. We need to actually soak it overnight and boil it for say 2 to 3 whistles in a pressure cooker, which I have already done. As you can see, the beautiful color which is coming out. I'm going to add some water now to balance the consistency. Look at that color. Oh my God. You know what? While I was a child, this is something which my neighbors used to send across whenever there was a celebration in their house. And this is where I perfected this recipe. Authentically, we use makri, or we also call it dry mangoes. We'll soak the tamarind for say 15 minutes to half an hour in hot water. And then I'm going to take out the pulp now. We are going to add the pulp which we have just removed from the soaked tamarind. Since we are making this curry tangy, we also need to balance it well. And for that, I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery. Now we will wait for the jaggery to melt. Oh my God, my kitchen is smelling divine. And I'm going to finish it with some mint leaves, just the way the recipe demands. Our Kale Chane Ka Khatta is ready, and don't forget to have it with hot and piping steaming rice. And don't forget to catch me at the Indian Food Diaries only at Get Curried.